आज हम बात करेंगे एक बिलियनियर बिजनेसमैन की who is the chairman and managing director of Raymond Limited and the founder of the Supercar Club of India. जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं गौतम सिंघानिया के बारे में. His net worth is estimated to be around 1.4 billion US dollars, जो इंडियन करेंसी में होता है 11,600 crore rupees. With that kind of money, you would want to splurge on your passion and hobbies. And as far as this tycoon goes, cars are his passion, and collecting, modifying, and driving them is his hobby. He is extremely zealous about cars, planes, and yachts, and his love for cars led him to start India's first supercar club back in 2009. He is a proud owner of many expensive and exotic cars. Recently, उन्हें मुंबई के रेड बुल शोरन में स्टंट्स करते हुए देखा गया था. He was seen making donuts in his Ferrari 488 Pista. Gautam Singhania is a true tifosi. ये टर्म यूज किया जाता है टू डिस्क्राइब फरारी फैंस. गौतम ने कम्पीट भी किया है फरारी चैलेंज में एंड वन द एमेच्योर डिवीजन ऑफ द ड्रिफ्ट ऑल स्टार्स चैंपियनशिप इन माल्टा इन 2012. सिंघानिया के पास 10 फरारीज तो हैं ही, लेकिन अब माना जाता है विद ईच ईयर ये नंबर बढ़ता जा रहा है. His love for his Ferraris can be seen on Instagram as well, with multiple shots and videos in his super luxurious car. There is another feather to his cap. The Mumbai Park Supercar Show, which is the brainchild of this billionaire, and it is considered to be one of the biggest auto shows of supercars and vintage cars in the country. Gautam Singhania owns 10 Ferraris, 6 Lamborghinis and 3 McLarens, और ये तो सिर्फ कुछ ही नाम है उनकी super luxurious car collection में. Now let's take a look at some of his super fine cars. शुरू करते हैं Hot Rod से. हॉट रॉड एक क्लासिक अमेरिकन मसल कार है जो हेविली मॉडिफाई की गई थी स्पीड और एक्सेलरेशन बढ़ाने के लिए. ये एक लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव व्हीकल है जिससे पता चलता है ये इंडिया में इंपोर्ट की गई थी. दिस वन साउंड्स लाइक अ V8 इंजन. तो हॉट रॉड इज बिलीव्ड टू बी बेस्ड ऑन अ 1932 फोर्ड कूपे और इस क्लासिक व्हीकल को डिस्प्ले किया गया था द पार्क सुपरकार शो 2014 एंड 2015 में. नेक्स्ट इज Ferrari 348 GTP. The Ferrari 348 GTP, जिसे डिजाइन किया गया था एज अ रिप्लेसमेंट फॉर Ferrari 308 and 328 lineage. It is a two-seater Berlinetta model. It is powered by 3.4-liter V8 engine. It gives a maximum output of 315 bhp and 324 nanometer of peak torque. Next है Lamborghini Gallardo. Gallardo एक two-seater कार है जो प्रोड्यूस करती है a maximum power of 550 bhp and a peak torque of 540 nanometer. This is the first generation Lamborghini Gallardo. It features a custom orange colored exterior and is powered by a 5-liter V10 engine. The Gallardo ranges from 1.55 to 3 crores. Next is Mercedes-Benz 540K Cabriolet. Mercedes-Benz 540K Cabriolet एक 580K मॉडल की सक्सेसर है और इसे एक टाइमलेस पीस माना जाता है इनकी कलेक्शन में. The two-seater left-hand convertible is powered by a 177.5 bhp engine with a 431 nanometer of torque. गौतम सिंघानिया को ये कार ड्राइव करते हुए काफी बार देखा गया है. Its design has a vintage charm to it, especially the flowing wheel arches. And now, the vintage Mustang. इस कार को काफी बार मुंबई रोड्स पे स्पॉट किया गया है. The car has support wheels in the rear and a massive hood scoop. इस मस्टैंग को फोर्ड की सबसे आइकॉनिक, फेमस और सक्सेसफुल कार माना जाता है. एंड नाउ द McLaren 720S. वाइट McLaren 720S गौतम सिंघानिया की कलेक्शन की फास्टेस्ट कार है. इट हैज बीन सीन ऑन वेरियस ओकेजन्स ऑन मुंबई रोड्स. ये मॉडल जो ब्रिटिश मैन्युफैक्चर्ड है चैलेंज कर सकता है इटालियन मेकर्स लाइक Ferrari एंड Lamborghini को. ये गाड़ी एक वेरिएबल ड्रिफ्ट कंट्रोल के साथ आती है, which simply means it helps drift the car. और ये कार जा सकती है from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds. The cost of McLaren 720S is 4.65 crore rupees. Now the Ferrari 458 Italia. The business magnate has various Ferraris in his lavish car collection. One of them is a Ferrari 458. The 458 is one of the best looking Ferraris and no doubt a favorite modern Ferrari amongst all enthusiasts. It has a 4.4-liter V8 engine which revs to 9,000 RPM and goes to 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds. This car is said to be the first 458 Italia in India. The standard 458 costs around 1.9 crore, but the cost for this one is unknown as it has been heavily modified. Next is Ariel Atom. This is a road-legal, high-performance, open-wheel car that features an exoskeleton. Interestingly, ये कार एक प्रोजेक्ट की तरह शुरू की गई थी by a Coventry University transport design student. ये कार काफी minimalist है and is considered as one of the most intuitive cars in the world when it comes to straight line performance. This car does a 0 to 100 km/h in 2.3 seconds. Gautam Singhania was seen driving this Ariel Atom sports version at a press conference of Park Supercar Show in 2010. Gautam's version is a V8 which costs at least £122,000, which is 1.1 crore rupees. The next one is an incredible sports car, the Nissan Skyline GT-R. Gautam Singhania अपनी Nissan Skyline racing के लिए use करते हैं. It is one of his most expensive purchases with modifications for speed. This sports car boasts of 1,000 horsepower and it can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. ये कोई सरप्राइज की बात तो नहीं होगी कि सिंघानिया पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं ड्रैग रेसेस में अक्रॉस इंडिया और वो काफी बार जीत चुके हैं एंड ही इज इवन अ रिकॉर्ड होल्डर. इन स्टॉलवर्ट का नाम लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में भी है. Gautam Singhania was one of the first Indians to drive a Lamborghini Aventador home. It is one of the most remarkable and extraordinary cars in his collection. The Lamborghini Aventador is the flagship supercar in the Italian high-performance car makers lineup. This car is the Super Veloce, सिर्फ Ultimate Editions of Lamborghinis के लिए reserved है और इस particular edition की सिर्फ 600 cars exist करती हैं पूरे world में. It is 50 kg lighter, which allows the SV to go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds. The Aventador SV reaches a top speed of 217 miles per hour. क्योंकि ये एक exclusive car है with enhanced specs, इसकी cost भी काफी enhanced है. एक normal Aventador की cost है around £260,000, which is 2.4 crore rupees, whereas the SV is priced at £315,000, which is 2.9 crore rupees. This is just a small percentage of cars he owns. His collection also includes Ferrari LaFerrari, a Lamborghini Huracan Performance, BMW M3 CSL, Ferrari 458 Challenge, Lotus Elise, among others. In his garage, he has a sign saying, "A man's home is his castle, but his garage is his sanctuary." This is according to the Economic Times. और ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और लाइक करना मत भूलना.